Hey guys, today I am gonna be reviewing this super cute candy shop little building that we got for our village. We just started taking some stuff out for the little village we're gonna have this year. I was, just researching, trying to find some cute stuff to add to our village this year on Amazon, and I came across this candy shop. We got another one from the same brand. It's coming really soon and I can't wait for it. I love the quality of this tiny little house. It looks so good, which is surprising, especially for the price that we paid. It wasn't super expensive, so I was a little skeptical, at the quality of it, of the details, but it looks really good. Here, let me give you a close-up. I love this round ceiling and the glitters. It makes it even more festive. So they have glitter all over this little house. And look at this detail. It's really good, especially when I compare to the other stuff we have. We buy so many of these little houses every year. And this one, the quality is really good. Look at this snowman. I love it. And I feel like the glitter makes it even better. Now I'm gonna turn it on so you can see this on and all the lights and colors. But yeah, very, very cute. Look at this. It looks so cool, right? They have a little light right here by the door as well, which adds even more. It's very realistic. I love it. And as you can see, the back's not open, so you can display this pretty much anywhere, like in your kitchen, bathroom. I feel like this is not just for the village, which is nice because some houses, they have the open back, so it'll look kind of weird if you put them in, to display in other areas besides the village. Not this one. This one would look cute anywhere. I love it.